তোমরা সবাই খুব মন দিয়ে শোনো, লেখো, সবাই লাইক অ্যান্ড সাবস্ক্রাইবটা দিয়ে দাও। The present tense expresses current actions, routines, or general tools serving as a foundation for communication. It includes four main types: simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Present simple present habits and facts. Present continuous ongoing actions. Present perfect recent past actions with present relevance. And present perfect continuous actions started in the past continuing now. Key present tense type and rules. Simple present used for habits, routines, and general tools. It uses the base verb adding s or es for third person singular he, she, it. Present continuous describes actions happening right now from subject plus is or am or are plus verb plus verb ing. Present perfect connects the past to the present. Subject plus has or have plus past participle. Present perfect continuous shows actions started in the past and are still continuing. They have been waiting for you. Present tense. I eat an apple. You read a book. We ride a bicycle. He eats an apple. She reads a book. It rides a bicycle. Past tense describes actions or states that already happened using verb forms like played, watched, or went with four main times in English. Simple past, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. Simple past for completed actions, past continuous for actions that were in progress at a specific time in the past. Past perfect for an action completed before another past action.